Hello everyone, this is RPPR and welcome to another art video. And today we're going to do something fun, something unique. So if you don't know me or this channel, this is RPPR, which is Red Poppies and Purple Roses. A little bit of a tongue twister, but this channel is supposed to be an art channel. That's what it was originally. But nowadays I've started playing games on the channel and I've been uploading gameplay videos of Supermarket Simulator, and I did one game before that. So I decided to play a game called Granny for Halloween, and today in this video I'll be making the thumbnail for that video. So yeah, let's get started. Let me just import the image. And the image is here, but it doesn't really look right? It's not fitting in the dimension, so let's do that first. Oh, and before I forget, the software that I'm using right now is called Krita, which is the software I've been using for my animations. All of my animations I've used the software. If you like the game Friday Night Funkin', you can check those out. Now you might be wondering, what exactly am I doing here? Well, I'm actually going to edit Granny herself. Yes, you heard it right, we're going to give Granny a huge makeover. So let's get started. So here we have a brilliant Wheel of Fortune on wheelofnames.com. So why the wheel exactly? Because there are so many things we can do with Granny right now. So just to pick and choose what exactly we need to, how exactly we need to edit Granny. So for that we have the Wheel of Fortune. So I'm gonna start with the hairstyle. So first I'm taking a small bun, which is a hairstyle which I have associated with elderly women when I was a child. I mean, anyone can do a small bun. And then we have ponytail, and of course another classique, the braid, a plait. And actually this one will be single braid, and then I'm going to do double braid. Wait a second. Oh, I'm an idiot. First I need to decide if the hair will be long, short, or medium length. Okay. So we have short, then medium, and then long. Let's see what the hair length should be, okay? Let's do this, guys. Ooh, what's it gonna be? Oh, long. Ooh, Granny's gonna have long hair. You know, I was hoping for either medium or long because currently she has a short hairstyle. So I wanted her to have something different, you know? Okay, so we have the hair length, and yeah, let me just go ahead and remove this. Now we have to decide on the hairstyle. Oh no, actually we need to decide if the hair will be straight, curly, or wavy. To be honest, I have drawn wavy and curly hair before. Wavy is very easy. Curly can be a little tricky. The thing is that I've never really drawn... Oh, it's gonna be wavy, huh? Oh, barely. Oh, barely. Okay, I'm glad I didn't get curly because I haven't done curly hair in digital art yet, so I was afraid that I would ruin it or something. Okay, so now it's time for the hairstyles. The first one will be open, just long wavy hair. I think that will look really cute. And the bun, yes, a ponytail. And then we had, wait a second, I hope I'm not forgetting anything. There's this hairstyle, I call it puppy ponies. I don't know what the actual term is, but it's basically ponies on two ponytails on the sides of her head. So that's puppy ponies. And I guess since we're going puppy ponies, we can go puppy pony braids, which is basically puppy ponies, but then you braid your hair after making the ponytails. And then we have the ponytail braid, which as the name suggests, you first made the ponytail and then the braids. So yeah, similar to the puppy pony braids where you make the puppy ponies and then the braids. Oh, looks like it's going to be a ponytail braid. Huh. Okay. So what else do we need to figure out? I guess we need to go with hair color now, right? Actually, we need to give her bangs. So of course the most popular option that is going on right now is curtain bangs, and then we have fringe. What do we call that? I think it's called side bangs. The one which is not a middle part, it's a side part. Yeah, side part is equal to side bangs. I guess that makes sense. And let me just search some real quick. Okay, there could be more bangs, but I'm just going to keep these ones because these cover the most. Oh, never mind. We're going with the lazy, the most boring option, slick back, which means no bangs, nothing on the face. No offense to those people who keep their hair slicked back, but it is a boring option though. Like I could have edited like so many bangs on Granny and I got slicked back. Oh, pink. No, don't go white. Don't go white. She's a granny. She has white. Oh god. Okay, you know what? Never mind. So let's try to make Granny look more interesting because all that we got was, I mean, no offense to those people. I'm not saying that those weren't great options. Like I do that all the time, slick back plus ponytail braid, and it looks really good. But white hair literally ruined everything because he's a granny. Come on. I was really looking forward to giving her like pink hair, purple, blue, whatever. So I'm trying to add accessories which hopefully will not be white, okay? Please make it some other color. Ooh, maybe a bucket hat. No, bucket hat with ponytail braid. I can't. Oh, never mind. It's going to be clips. And they better not be white or black or gray because I really want to add some color. You know what? I have the perfect solution. I'm gonna kick out white. Whenever I get a color, I'll just kick it out so that I don't get the same color again. Black. Oh no, I wanted something different. You're telling me? Actually, you know what? I'm going to break my own rules. This black color will be used for her streaks, okay? That'll still make her look granny-ish. Okay, so we have two options. Black streaks and blue earrings. Sorry, not earrings, clips, whatever. Or we can go blue streaks plus black clips. Okay, so we're going to do a white ponytail braid with black streaks and blue clips. She looks creepy with bright eyes, which I guess, you know, it goes with the theme. And now all is left is to, I think, to decide her makeup, the makeup color. Please, no, not brown, please. Oh, thank God. Oh, finally I got a color I wanted. really hope we get hoodie because that would be hilarious. Never mind. Actually, that's not that bad. That's actually really good. So a strap top and skirt. Yes, so this is the power we artists hold. Behold my creation, Elsa into Barbie into Granny. If you're thinking to yourself that this is the most cringe artwork you've ever seen, then you are 100% right. I don't know what I have created, but you know, it's not looking that bad. It is cringy, but hey, it is something presentable, and I feel like that should be an accomplishment. Like, Granny actually looks really nice, so you know, I should get a little credit for my hard work. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you would like this Granny to chase you around the house. Shout out to wheelsofname.com for creating the Wheel of Fortune, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Hopefully you stay tuned.